Welcome to Scented Palette. I hope you're doing well. Today we are going to make a lavender pattern cake. I'll show you how even beginners can create a stunning cake that looks professional. I've already shown you how to make the basic sponge cake. Check the link in the description below or through the I button above. I will begin from where the batter is ready and we have to add the colors. I've divided the batter in two portions and I'm going to add purple color in one half. Add magenta gel color in the batter to make purple layers. We'll make alternate layers and bake as instructed in the previous video. Now let's prepare the whipping cream. Chill 1 liter of cream until it's almost frozen. It will thaw as we beat it. When the cream thickens, add sugar. Add 2 tablespoons first. Add 2 more tablespoons. When the cream starts leaving trails, add vanilla and continue beating until soft peaks form. Dissolve gelatin by putting it in the microwave for about 30 seconds. Then add 2 teaspoons of gelatin to stabilize it, but not too much or piping will be very hard. So this is how the double colors look. Trim the top for better syrup absorption. Douse each layer with sugar syrup. For icing, it is easiest for the beginners to use a piping bag. This way, you can avoid mixing cake crumbs with the cream and can achieve a smooth top very quickly. Do the same for the sides. To make lavender color, mix magenta gel color with some cream. Ice the sides with a small palette knife or with a piping bag like shown before. Smooth it out with a scraper. If you plan to add a design on the sides, you don't need to smooth the sides perfectly. To make a darker purple, first add red color in your lavender cream. Just add a drop of blue and that should be it. I'll show you 3 easy ways to make lavender flowers. Also, I will use the most easiest piping tip. Number 1, dot and drag. Number 2, dot method. Number 3, line and dot. And we'll make leaves without any tip. We will create textured leaves with just the piping bag and a Dresden tool. Start your pattern by marking with a toothpick. Method 1. Pipe a dot and drag it into a tail-like shape. Then pipe dots in the middle. You can make dots like this. Then add more dots on the side. That's the second method. To draw a circle around the cake, hold your hand steady and rotate the cake stand. Method 3. Draw short diagonal lines with dots in the center. Just pipe the leaves in any way you can. Avoid fine lines and patterns in the beginning. Bring the leaves into shape and give them texture with your Dresden tool. Now let's see the final look.